Let's first see what the beginning of this discus fish looks like. This graceful cichlid hails from the Amazon River system, one of the largest and most stable biotopes on our planet. It was first introduced to the hobby in the early 1930s, and it's still considered one of the most demanding and expensive freshwater tropical fish. Most discus are comfortable in water with pH ranging from 5.0 to 7.0, total hardness from 1 for DAH, and temperature from 80 to 84 F. Discus are very sensitive to ammonia, nitrite, and changes in water temperature and quality. In home aquariums, discus live for an average of 10 years, but can live up to 15 years, and can grow up to 8 inches. Like many fish in the home aquarium, they will eat almost anything that fits within their mouth. Due to their size, they often require a minimum 55 gal to 1. Now we look discus variety. Red melon, blue diamond, albino, checkerboard, cobalt blue, pigeon, Marlboro, red cover, red panda, snakeskin, snow white, wild, yellow melon, turquoise. Diseases that affect discus are usually the same as those that affect other tropical fish. Most common are gill flukes, intestinal disorders, and sliminess of the skin. Hexamida successfully treats these disorders as well as most other common fish diseases including fungus, fin rot, and dropsy. How do you treat discus disease? Commonly used antibiotics include kanamycin, metronidazole only active for 8 hours after contact with water, 500 mg 5-10 gallons water. Tetracycline work less for some type of bacteria, and water look nasty. We don't use this much because less effective than other medication.